up everyone, Scarlett here. I'm just gonna do a quick little tool review on the Wi-Fi endoscope from Carnage Tools. So let me open it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like before I go on and show you how it works real quick. It has a few little adapters and a little charging plug that comes with it. Okay, so let me quickly show you how to use this. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this app right here. Can't really see well, but it looks like a picture of a little camera. So you're going to download that on your app store, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. And then from that, you are going to want to turn on your endoscope. So we got that turned on. And then from there, you're going to go into your Wi-Fi settings. So let me turn that off real quick and then turn it back on. And then find... And then you're gonna find where it says YF view. Can you see that well? Maybe not. Alright, so once that's connected, you're gonna go and open up your app. And as you can see, one second. Alright, so hold on, I'm having a hard time holding this at the same time. Alright, so you have the option to either take a picture of whatever it is that you are looking at, or you can choose to record whatever it is you're looking at, like for a leak, or if you dropped something in a hole and you're trying to get it back, or whatever it is that you are trying to do. And then you can go and view all the pictures and videos that you took while you were using that endoscope. So yeah, it's a pretty neat tool to have at home. So yeah, it's a nice little tool to have at home if you don't want to bring any of your other tools from work or whatever. So it would work perfectly fine for me. Like I said, you don't have to bring your tools back and forth from work. So this is nice and handy. It works nicely. It has some LED lights in it at the end. So yeah. Be sure to check Carnage Tools out, carnagetools.com. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.